How we react to a dog licking our face usually depends on our own approach to personal hygiene, but all of us need to know the reasons why they do this, something you can learn with AnimalWised. Because they love you. The main reason dogs lick your face is affection. This behaviour is inherent in their nature and can be traced back to the behaviour of wolves. When adult wolves hunt for food, they often cover large distances to find prey. Once they successfully catch their prey, they will consume as much food as possible. This behaviour allows them to return to the den and feed their pups. The pups stimulate regurgitation by licking the nose of the adult wolves, feeding on the prey stored within their stomach. When we apply this behaviour to domestic dogs, we can interpret face licking as a demonstration of respect, affection and submission. This is because you are their main reference as a provider of food, resources and other forms of basic care. This helps to make you their favourite person. To get your attention. Licking is something dogs will often do to get our attention. This is partly because they know it's something we will find difficult to ignore. In the majority of cases, the dog will be licking to ask for some of their basic needs in terms of health and well-being. These include food, water, exercise, play, and even just company. It is possible your dog may have a problem and wants your attention to address it. In these cases, if you identify signs of pain or illness, you should take the dog to a veterinarian immediately. If you like AnimalWised, remember that a super thanks can help us continue creating the content you enjoy. To calm down. Licking is also one of the main calming signals our dogs use in countless situations where they experience discomfort, fear, anxiety or distress. Dogs use it to communicate among themselves, but also with other animals and people. They generally do so with the purpose of ameliorating a situation they understand to be unfavourable or even potentially dangerous. This can happen if the dog has a dispute with another dog or even their guardian. Guardians can even misinterpret calming signals like licking as encouragement when really the dog is trying to get them to stop something that is causing stress or discomfort. Discover how to better understand your dog in the first info video we share above. Due to stress. There are many sources of stress that can alter a dog's behaviour. These can include sudden changes in their environment or routine, frequent exposure to stressful stimuli, a poorly enriched environment, a sedentary lifestyle with insufficient exercise, and even health problems. It's important you know how to recognise the main symptoms of stress in dogs. If our dog keeps licking our face, look at the rest of their behaviours in context. If we think our dog is stressed, we should consult a vet to rule out a pathological cause. We should then evaluate their lifestyle to determine any stressors and improve where we can. Learn how to make such improvements with environmental enrichment by watching the next info video. Due to trauma or phobias. Although they are different disorders that manifest through different symptoms, in both cases we can see the development of stereotypies. These are incessant or obsessive repetitions of certain behaviours otherwise inherent to dogs. These can include pawing or licking their guardians. If you recently adopted a dog and notice these patterns of obsessive behaviour, it is possible your dog has been the victim of physical or emotional abuse. It is also possibly due to other issues such as poor socialization, chronic stress, prolonged confinement, or a lack of physical and mental stimulation. In these cases, it's best to speak to a veterinarian who's an expert in canine ethology to overcome the dog's insecurity, regain their confidence, and learn to express themselves through healthy behaviours. If you want to continue learning about dog behaviour, don't miss the playlist we share here. Let us know if your dog is fond of face licking by sharing in the comments. We'll see you next time.